mag-lamp namin sa esthetician school. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, ang ganda ng pala outwardly ng skin ko. But looking at it on a cellular level, a little bit deeper, you will see the true reflections and things that could have been, kumbaga, pwede mo sanang iwasan if you live healthy life. That's why when I was booking with Bioessence,